Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle? But anytime you try, you either feel stuck or overwhelmed. You are not alone, sis. I have good news for you. You can start one without losing your sanity or even losing your time. And today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how. Here is a reality between the kids, home responsibilities, and maybe just trying to catch up with yourself. Starting a side hustle can be or can feel somehow impossible. I know. But the trick is for you to actually take small practical steps that actually fit into your life. I mean, into your schedule. Those small wins or those small steps, before you know it, build into momentum. And yes, gives you real income too. I am Peace Ubiogenedoro, and you're welcome. This is Savvy Moms Finance. This is your space for practical, actionable strategies to grow your income, manage money, and at the same time, create freedom for yourself, all while being the best version of yourself as a woman. If that's your thing, like this video so that other women will see this video as well. Also, do subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already. You know why? So that you will be the first to know whenever we upload our weekly videos. All right, let's dive into the main talk of today: how to start a side hustle without feeling overwhelmed. The first step is for you to identify your skill and your time. Figure out what you are good at and how much time you realistically have. Sis, don't overthink this, okay? Ask yourself, what skills do I already have? What do people always ask me for help with? Maybe you are good at cooking, organizing, teaching, or even designing. Pair that skill with the time you actually have. It could be like 1 to 2 hours after the kids are in bed, maybe during nap time. Like, do what fits into your real life, what will not burn you out. So I want you to do something now. Grab a notebook or even your phone. You can still use your phone. Write one column for your skills, okay? And another for the hours you can realistically commit to that skill every week. This is your starting foundation. Do not skip it. Do not ignore. The next step is for you to choose a side hustle. Pick a side hustle that fits into your skills and your time. See, don't overcomplicate it. If you love writing, for instance, freelance blogging is a very perfect option. If you are good with crafts, digital products or even Etsy could work. If you are good with organizing, you should consider something like virtual assistants or even social media management. Let me give you a tip. Focus on only one idea, because when you multitask too early, it creates this burnout. It leads to overwhelm. The next step is for you to set small weekly goals. Set small weekly goals. Sis, do not overwhelm yourself. You don't need it. Overwhelm usually hits when we try to do everything at the same time. Instead, break your hustle into tiny weekly goals. For instance, if you want to start a blog, week 1 could be for choosing your niche. Week 2 could be for you writing your first post. Week 3 could be for social media setup. For this week, sis, you could write 3 small achievable goals. I mean, those goals you know you can achieve without stress. Make sure these goals, each of them, you can finish them within 1 hour. Sis, these are what I call your baby steps to achieving your goals. Step 4, track your income. Tracking your earnings is essential, like very essential, very important. No matter how small you make in a week. For instance, say you make, like, let's use dollars, $20. It's fine. Write it down. Record it. You know what it does for you? It builds your motivation. It helps you measure your progress. You could use a spreadsheet, notebook, or even a finance app. Use what works for you. Step 5 is for you to take action and commit. This is where most women fail. Like, they keep planning, and they don't take any step. Sis, just pick one task today and do it. It could be creating a product, sending that proposal, or even setting up your profile online. Pick one task from your weekly goals and complete it today, sis. No excuses. Don't give excuse. Just do it. Let me share a quick story with you. There is this woman I know. She's a mom. She's actually a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. She started selling digital products. Initially when I had a conversation with her, she was like, there is no time for that. When she committed 2 hours every week, she made her first income, like her own money, within a space of 3 weeks. You needed to see how excited this woman was. So the lesson is, start right from where you are with what you have. Momentum actually comes from action, not perfect planning. So sis, I want you to pick one side hustle this week and tell me in the comments what it is. I want to see it. Like, you can start. Don't delay. You can do this thing, sis. Also, if you got value from today's video, do well to give this video a thumbs up so that other women will see it and feel less overwhelmed on how to start their side hustle. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe so that you'll be the first to know whenever we upload our weekly videos. Thank you, amazing woman, for watching. Remember to pick up one side hustle today. Take one action today and keep moving forward. And I will definitely be seeing you in the next one. Catch ya.